How do I restart HBO Max on Apple TV?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss how to restart HBO Max on your Apple TV. Whether you're experiencing issues or just need to refresh your app, this guide will provide you with a quick and easy solution.
Is your HBO Max app misbehaving?
HBO Max is a great streaming service, but like all technology, it might occasionally run into some glitches. You might encounter a frozen screen, or perhaps the app is not loading the content correctly. In these cases, restarting the HBO Max app often solves the problem.
How to close and restart HBO Max app on Apple TV.
Here's how to restart your HBO Max app on an Apple TV. 1. On your Apple TV remote, press the Home button, the button with a TV icon. This will take you to the home screen. 2. Swipe to the HBO Max app using the trackpad on the remote. 3. Swipe up on the trackpad to close the app. 4. After closing, click on the HBO Max app to open it again. Your HBO Max app has been restarted.
What if restarting the app doesn't solve the issue?
In some cases, restarting the app might not be enough. If you're still experiencing issues with HBO Max, you might need to restart your Apple TV. Here's how to restart your Apple TV. 1. Go to Settings from the home screen. 2. Scroll down and select System. 3. Now, select Restart. Your Apple TV will now restart, and this might solve any lingering issues with the HBO Max app. And that's it. Now you know how to restart the HBO Max app on your Apple TV, and also how to restart your Apple TV if necessary. We hope this video guide has been helpful. Happy streaming!